Hello everybody, I'm Valerie. I will be introducing you to Halloween today. Here is my audience, who is my husband. He'll be watching me. Thank you. I would like to evaluate the expenses and preferences related to celebrating Halloween. I would like to introduce the audience to my research that compares consumer financial effort, influenced by media when it comes to trees, choices of costumes and decorations. I'm referring to National Retail Federation. I will be abbreviating it as NRF in some of my speech. It points out on the spending that hasn't changed much, but demand in costumes influenced by friends, neighbors, and celebrities has increased. Imagine what other great reason would we pick to take time getting together with friends, community, relatives, and our neighbors, while being able to express our creativity and individuality. Just like Christmas or New Year's, Halloween season is time consuming and requires financial input that, according to NRF, last year averaged to 86.27% per person. The greatest thing about this consumer holiday is that, unlike Christmas, it doesn't require presents but yet connects you with your community. Why I picked Halloween? I'm personally very interested in this holiday. I didn't grow up around it. To me, it's very unique, and I would like to continue researching into it. First, I was introduced to it when I lived in Germany. They had equivalents of it with the same getting dressed ideas and visiting castles with lighting and just special, interesting, just light effects altogether. I've also been invited to multiple corporate parties where their home was turned into a haunted house, and they used about 2 trailers worth of decorations and need to hire a crew to put it all up and take it all down at the end, which took about 2 weeks long. I also have a degree in sewing. That's my first degree that I had when I came from to United States and to Germany from Ukraine. I knew how much it always takes to put an effort into sewing, putting together a costume, assembling it on people and fitting it in. So to me, it looks like a big piece of art as well. A long time has been gone since the kids only are able to celebrate Halloween. About 9 out of 10 adults are planning to celebrate Halloween this year. US consumers are looking to social media for Halloween costume and decoration ideas, as spending is expected to reach near record amount this year. The statement is described by the National Retail Federation annual survey conducted by Prosper Insight and Analysis. Halloween inspiration comes from the various sources. Consumer survey completed by NRF provides the following data that I will be showing it to you in my little computer. I might not be able to see everything, but I will be uploading this information on my PowerPoint. Inspiration from social media has increased tremendously since 2015. The numbers of people relying on these platforms for consumer ideas has grown over the last 5 years, mainly from YouTube to Pinterest. More and more Halloween celebrants continue to use social media to find ideas for costumes. The top sources cited by 35% of consumers browsing in stores, 28%, friends, 20%. Pinterest was cited by 18%, but up to 13% 2015. 14% both cited YouTube and Instagram, the lowest. According to survey, consumers plan to spend $3.2 billion on costumes, purchased by 67% of Halloween shoppers, $2.6 billion on candy, which is 95%, $2.7 billion on decoration, which is 72%, and $390 million on greeting cards. There is a little display I have here that shows 95% still yet being spent on candy. Due to a need to prioritize and pick and choose what you want to spend money on, the NRF shows in 2019, 69% planned to hand out candy, 49% plan to decorate their home or yard, 47 will dress in costume, 44 will percent will carve pumpkin, 32 will throw a tent party, 29% will take their children trick-or-treating, 22% will visit haunted houses, and 70% will dress their pets. The survey shows 3.1 million children plan to dress up their favorite princess costume, 2.4 million their favorite superhero, 2 million as a Spider-Man, 1.5 million an Avengers character other than Spider-Man, and 1.4 million as Batman. Batman doesn't get much attention. 5 million adults plan to dress like witch, 2 million as a vampire, 1.8 million as a superhero, 1.5 million as a pirate, and 1.4 million as a zombie. Now about pets, the funnest part. The survey found 29 million people plan to dress their pets in costume for Halloween. Every pet is a superhero in their own heart of the owner. This year, total planned spending for pet costume comes in 490 million, more than double what we saw in 2010. US consumers again looking to social media for Halloween costume and decoration idea that is expected to reach new record amount this year. We're looking forward to see where it's gonna take us. This survey that I have stated about has been conducted by NRF, and the survey consists of 7,419 consumers that has been completed in between September 3rd and 10th, and has a margin of error of plus or minus 1.2%. There is going to be much more detailed information on the PowerPoint that I'll be posting together with this video. I apologize for not being able to see quite a bit of that, but I hope you'll have fun reviewing it. Thank you so much for listening. Goodbye.